Welcome again, YouTubers. Well, I've just got my seats recovered and I'm pretty chuffed with them. They've done a pretty good job. Got the colours as close as they can, which are pretty right. You can see here the stitching is all good. Even down on the seams at the back, it's nicely done. The back's nicely done. And they also sandblasted and repainted the frame for me. So I'm really happy about that. And you can see the both of them. The two front seats there. Yeah. Gonna look absolutely smick. See the backs of them here, so I'm properly chuffed at that. So just a small update, just to let you know what's been going on, and more to come. Thanks for watching. Bye. So here we are again. Just thought I'd check out what it looked like in the chassis of the car. Looks pretty smick. Certainly going to lift it, and they're comfortable to sit in too, remarkably comfortable. So here it is in the car. Beaut. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.